Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal as a friends and family. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your PayPal account, and after that here you can see this is the main dashboard. So simply on the top side you can see there are multiple options available. So now in order to do this you have to go to wallet option. So simply just drag your mouse here and click on wallet option. After that, when you click on wallet option, you will move to next page. So simply here you can see link a card or bank. So just simply here you have to link a card and bank, and after that when you add the money, so now how you can send money as a friends and family. So simply just move back. So now click on send and request and type the person email, and after that click on next. So this is without transaction fees, like when you send money in through friends and family. So simply just type the amount here, and after that here you can type the recipient name. So after that simply just click on continue. So here you can see sending to a friend. So in this way you can use this feature of